If I'm not in focus, I don't know what to tell you. But alright, let's get it shot popping. Let's get it going. I'm gonna put my hair to a high ponytail. So we're gonna start off with the water. Then we're gonna put some gel on it. Then we're gonna put it in a ponytail. We're gonna do my edges. I'm gonna make a bun. And yeah. So today is Sunday. If you hear stuff in the background, it's because my fan is on. Because it's really hot in here. But I just want to discuss like boys. I feel like boys are just so unnecessary in life. Like seriously, what do we need boys for? And I feel like a lot of girls lower their standards or lower themselves to appeal to, one second, you know, risk their image to appeal to a boy. And I don't think that that's okay. Can we talk about, let's talk about eco styling gel for a minute. So a couple people asked me like, oh, you still use eco? Oh, you still da-da-da-da. Oh my god, my camera's about to and you know what I say to that? Yes, I'm gonna keep using it because I don't even remember what they said was found in this, but it's found in like cancerous cells or whatever, something like that. And so people stop using it because they thought it gives them cancer. No, that same stuff that's found is this is found in your lotions, your perfumes, your face washes, your body washes. It's found in everything. So if you're going to cut this out, you need to cut out every single product that you have in your house and just go natural. Okay, so at this point in the video, I just decided to stop talking. But what I'm doing now is I'm just brushing my hair into a ponytail. Usually with these ponytails, I don't make them too high and I don't make them too low unless it's like a low ponytail. So I put it like kind of in the middle of my head, and this time I wanted it to be on the side so it didn't look dumb because it's not like it's long hair or anything. And yeah, then I'm gonna just tell y'all what I'm doing now so I can just cut this out. I'm gonna braid it up, and then I'm gonna put the braid in a bun, and then I'm gonna start wrapping the track around my bun. I don't use any hairpins or anything like that. I just stick the track underneath of my bun and just start wrapping it. Then after that, I'm going to wrap some hair around the track so I can hide it. And then I'm be done. So enjoy the video. Bye.
DA got that dope.
Okay, y'all, so that was the end of the video. All I did was I took some hair out on the side. I did my edges because like I said, my camera is dying. And yeah, that's my ponytail. This wasn't really a chatty get ready with me. It was just like so y'all can see how I put this ponytail in. This is hair from Sunber hair. It's Peruvian curly, but it's so old and I use it for everything.